Come on, Pups. Come on, let's go.
One day you're gonna come over and we'll have this fixed, maybe.
Hopefully.
Grandpa did have the ladder here.
Oh. I don't know if this is sturdy or not. It's sturdy enough. Dog, you gotta move. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Whiskey. Come on, buddy. He's like, my body's awkward. I can't do this. Come on. Come on. Come on. I don't know if he can get up here. Come on, buddy. Oh.
You and I are the same, aren't we? Here, I'll help you up. Maybe. Oh, no, I can't. No.
He's awkward. Here, I'll grab him. Come here. Come here, Whiskey. Whiskey, come here.
There's a better.
Whiskey, come here. Come here. Get over here. Give me his
You gonna
collar.
grab him by the collar?
I'm gonna grab him by the scruff. Well, first I'm gonna get his collar. Now I'm gonna get his scruff. Come on. Get up here. Ah, good boy. I'm surprised he made it as far as he did with his tall, lengthy body.
Yeah.
You did good, buddy. You weren't scared. He wasn't scared. That's a good thing. He was trying like hell. Oh boy. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Izzy, come on. All right, guys, we're gonna walk through this. Grandma can walk around, but I'm gonna make you guys walk through this. Whiskey doesn't care. He's coming. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, good girl. Come on, Whiskey. Good boy. Good boy. You don't get to do that in the city, do you? You have fun? Huh? Let's see what they do in the creek. Sure they'll love it.
Oh, I want to video.
No, it's fine. You can talk. Come on, Whiskey. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, dogs. Izzy. Good girl. Let's go.
These nettles get a little
Oh,
taller.
tripping over Whiskey. What?
These nettles get a little taller. We won't be wanting to come down to you.
Yeah, right. Oh. You smell that water already, don't you? Okay. Steep hill. Alright, guys, I'm gonna walk down backwards, hopefully, and not die so I can video. Izzy's already down here. Yeah, she went back up. Yeah, she's coming back up. One more. One more. Izzy's gonna go straight down. Or not. Go on. Go. Izzy. Go down there. Go down there. Okay, I'll go first. Oh. Boy. What do you think? Is this fun? Whiskey? Oh yeah, drink.